Hello guys. Hello guys. Welcome to my first video. Hope you enjoy. Okay. I don't know. What? Jump on your head. Don't tell me what to do. Whatever. Okay, what do I do? Okay. Okay, I'll take the plastic scoop and okay. My bag is full. Okay. Got 10. We've been having trouble with energy shortages lately. You can charge power stations by selling in them. Fully charge a power station to receive a reward of 50,000. Charge all of them at the same time for an extra reward. Good to know. What's that? A full bag? What do you know? Sunlight, what? What is this? I'll be back when I get about maybe 1,000 gold. Peace, I'll be back. Alright guys, I bought a new weapon, so it might take me a little longer to make all this money, so you have to wait a little bit. So I'll be back when I have. Alright guys, so I saw somebody. She said she was planning to record, but I don't believe her. I don't believe her. Hey Maya. Maya, if you ever see me, I'm gonna have purple hair or this hair, okay? And I always have this face, so if you see me with this face, that'll be me. And you know what my name is? Look at my name. No, it says Molly Patrice. Alright guys, I could not get 50 gold, so I had to get it back. Hi. I meant I could not get 1,000 gold, of course. It was way too hard. So I just took about half of 1,000. Just show you. Love you, Leisha. You don't see my face just for like 5 seconds. It's a little flash. If you don't see it, that's your fault. Because I'm not going to show you. No, I can't see my hair. Did you see that? Did you see that? If you didn't, that's your fault. Yeah, one day I'll make a. One day I'll make a real face reveal. I'm not gonna get any subscribers, so it'll just be out of the blue whenever, you know. And after that, I'll show you my face. What dress? Wait, should you buy me a shirt like yours? No, Maya. Can't do it. It'll fit me back home. I'm at the sale. Cool, what is that? Leisha's correcting me. Alright guys, that's currently the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed because I don't feel like doing more of this video. Because I will make a part 2 of this, of course. You know. Yeah. Good. Bye.